PRIDE Avalanche Airbags. The ABS P.RIDE system addresses concerns about the effectiveness of avalanche airbags, highlighted in a 2014 study by the German company ABS Protection. This system introduces a mutual partner release option, allowing each member of a group to activate the avalanche cushion in their partner's backpack. The airbag deploys using nitrogen to fill it, and the backpacks come in two versions, 4.75 and 8 gallons, with adjustable back straps and waist belts. Additional features include snowboard, ski, and helmet holders, with prices starting at $484. Freefall, AI-based emergency evacuation system. Originating from Bangladesh, the Freefall is an AI-based emergency evacuation system designed to detect and respond to alerts of fire and earthquakes. Mounted permanently or lifted with a crane, the system can evacuate up to 100 people from high-rise buildings in just 1 minute. This innovative solution prioritizes speed, avoiding the use of stairs and elevators, making it suitable for evacuating even elderly individuals without issues. Aqua Barrier, mini dam for canal cleaning and bridge repair. HSI Services presents Aqua Barrier, a versatile product for both rescuers and builders. This mini dam, made of heavy-gauge PVC reinforced with polyester, can be set up quickly for canal cleaning and bridge repair. It claims to take 3 to 5 times less time to install than similar options and is effective in both dry and wet conditions. Aqua Barrier is customizable, reusable, and easily transportable when folded. CMC Rescue Helitack Airbag, evacuation system for difficult conditions. This system, resembling a combination of a stretcher, sleeping bag, and climbing gear, aids in evacuating people in challenging conditions. The American model weighs only 14.5 pounds, can be used with rigid or flexible inserts, and includes 10 handles for careful carrying. It is versatile and can be used in diverse rescue scenarios, with a price tag of $1,900. Land Rover Discovery Project Hero, Search and Rescue SUV. A joint project between Land Rover and the Austrian Red Cross, the Discovery Project Hero is a search and rescue SUV equipped with a drone platform on the roof. This advanced system allows for landing a drone on the moving car and assists in informing and directing rescuers, firefighters, and medics to emergency sites. The vehicle includes a long-range camera with thermal imaging capabilities. Lizard Lifeboat, modernized British rescue stations. The Lizard Lifeboat is part of a system of British rescue stations along the English Channel, designed to save lives in challenging maritime conditions. These stations are modernized versions of the original concept from 1859, capable of operating in a 286-mile range. The lifeboats are powered by powerful Caterpillar C18 diesel engines. Longreach, life-saving bazooka for water rescues. Longreach, a James Dyson award-winning project from Australia, is a life-saving bazooka designed to aid in water rescues. It launches a buoyancy aid towards a drowning person, providing them with support until rescuers arrive. The device has a range of 492 feet, and the life ring expands to 40 times its original size in 15 seconds. Helper neck bracelet, lightweight alternative to life vests. Hailing from South Korea, the Helper neck bracelet is an alternative to traditional life vests. Designed for convenience and ease of use, it can be quickly worn as a bracelet. In case of emergency, it transforms into a life preserver, offering buoyancy and preventing drowning. Models are available for different weight categories,